Hello everyone, I am continuing with single register transfer load store instructions. So we have seen the three addressing modes for a single register transfer load store instruction in the previous video. Pre-index with the write back, pre-index, post-index. Pre-index with write back, pre-index, post-index. The example instructions are given. In all the instruction, this register is taken as R0 and base register is taken as R1 and offset is different. The second column is for R0 register. To the R0 register from which memory location we will take the data. So the second column is about R0 to the R0 from which memory location we are moving the data. So all the memory locations are given here. Then the third one is whether we have to update R1. If we have to update R1 means which need to be added with R1. That is given here. So we'll see the first example. This is for pre-index with write back. Pre-index with write back. LDR R0 comma square bracket of R1 hash 4. So from this equation, from this instruction, we'll fill the second column. In the second column, memory we have to write. So in the instruction, how to find memory? So we know that for pre-index with write back, memory can be found by adding base register and offset. Base register and offset. Base register is R1 and offset is 4. So R1 plus 4 is memory. From this memory location, the content of 32-bit data will be moved to R0 register, or R0 register will be loaded with this memory content. We have to take 32-bit data and move to R0 register. Next R1, whether we have to update R1 or not. Yes, we have to update R1 because it is write back method. We have to update R1. So if we are updating means which will be added with the R1. Which will be added with the R1? 04 will be added with the R1. So 04 is written here. Second example, LDR R0 comma square bracket of R1 comma R2. R2. So how to find memory here? We will add these two. So R1 plus R2 is memory. R1 plus R2 is memory. From this memory content, from this memory, the 32-bit content will be loaded with R0 register. Next, here R0 should be updated or not is should be updated because we have write back here. We have write back. So how it will be updated? We have to add R2 register. So that is given here. To update R1, we have to add R1 and R2. Third instruction, LDR R0 comma square bracket of R1 R2 LSR 4 and write back. So first, before adding R1 and R2, R2 will be pre-processed by the barrel shifter. Here the shifting is right shift operation by 4 bits. So this barrel shifting operation will be done for R2. Once it is done, the new content will be added with R1. This is called memory. This is called memory for this instruction. From this memory location, data will be moved to R0 register. So that only memory is R1 plus this operation. For the R2 register, this 4-bit left shift, right shift should be done. Then the new content will be added with R1. These are together called memory. From this memory, 32-bit content will be loaded with R0 register. Then whether we have to update R1 or not? Yes, we have to update. So to update R0 with R1, we will add this. Next, pre-index. In pre-index, LDR R0 comma R1 square bracket of R1 comma 4. Here also memory is R1 plus 4, that is given here from R1 plus 4. Then whether we should update R1? No, we no need to update. For pre-index we no need to update. So for all the three instructions, LDR is not updated. Next, post-index. LDR R0 comma square bracket of R1 comma 4. Here the memory is only R1 content. Only from the R1, R1 is memory, only from the R1 data will move to R0 register. So here the memory is only R1. In all the three instructions, the memory is only R1. Next, how to update R1? With R1, which need to be added? So in the first instruction with R1, we will add 04. So it is given here. In the second instruction with R1 we will add R2, that is given here. In the third instruction with R1 we will add R2 after the right shift by 4 bit. So this will be added here. This is given here. Next is variations of store H instruction. Store means we are moving the we are storing the content of register into the memory. So in the previous one here what we did, we loaded the memory content to the register. We loaded this register is loaded with the memory content, but here this register content will be stored in memory. The difference between this and this here load means from memory to register, store means register to memory, register to memory. Here also same thing, pre-index with write back. So to store the content of R0 we need memory. How to find memory in pre-index with write back? By adding R0, R1 and 4. When we add we will get one memory. From that memory we have to take 16-bit data. 16-bit data that. So here we are storing, no? So from the R0 register, 16-bit content is stored in this memory because it is store half word. Half word means the register from the register content it will take only the lower 16-bit. So that is stored in this memory. Whether we have to update R1, we have to update R1 because we have write back symbol. To update R1, which will be added with the R1, 4 will be added, so that 4 is given here. Next instruction is to store H half word R0, R1 plus R2. So this from this register R0, 16-bit data will be stored in this memory. So how to find memory? R1 plus R2, that is given here. Next, whether we have to update R1, we have to update R1. To update R1, we will add R2, that is given here. Next, pre-index. In pre-index, there is no need of updating R1, so not updated. Third one, post increase same only. R0 from the R0, 16-bit content is stored in this R1. Once it is stored, then the R1 will be updated with a new value by adding R1 plus 4. That work. So thank you.